guys, my name is Freya Kutzer and today I'm going to illustrate how to use and cut with an angle grinder. Today I'm going to use steel and cutting steel, but you get different kinds of cutting blades. Now, before I start illustrating how to cut with an angle grinder today, your PPE and your safety precautions is really important. And normal goggles for your safety of your eyes, some earplugs. Put it in my ear because one day I'm old, I don't want to struggle with noise problems. Hey. Of course you tighten it, you are making sure the wheel is fixed. There we go. Now it is in the socket, it is already on, but the machine is still off. Make sure every part of your body is away from the rotating wheel. Okay? You can see it starting, all fingers away. The angle grinder can be dangerous if you are not using it correctly.
Hello everyone, I'm Albert Gasti and I'm a lecturer here at Icalc Training Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to weld. Now there are a few basic things you need to adhere to before you even start welding, namely starting off by wearing the correct protective equipment. Some kind of dust coat or overall to protect your clothing, leather apron, not your mama's apron that she uses to bake cookies with, leather gloves because you don't want to burn your hands, and ankle pads. And then obviously you will need a welding helmet because you don't want to lose your eyesight while welding. Now obviously before you start welding you need to make sure that there's no flammable stuff in your way and no extra equipment that can be detrimental to your movement while you're welding. Okay, so I'm just going to start my weld here. As you can see, I'm supporting my electrode with my offhand, and I start by just making contact, and I'm making a few spot welds to make sure that the metal sits together perfectly. I can start to do my final weld. And then obviously when you're done, you switch off your welder before you carry on. I'm using a face shield to remove a flux. Then you take a wire brush to clean the seam.
My name is Larry. I'll be taking you through the subject called Fitting and Machining N2. And the topic for today will be on Module 6, Milling Machine. A milling machine cuts metals by using variety of cutting tools known as milling cutters. Dividing head is part of the component of a milling machine. Overarm, the spindle, column, base, and as well we have transverse. We have the vertical, we have the table, and we have the cross transverse that makes up the entire milling machine. So we've got 12/18. Do we have 18 in our Brown and Sharp? Yes. So this is your final stop. We've got 6 full turns, 12 holes in 18 hole circle. That is the calculation about simple index.